Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV that won't turn on. First, you need to remove the battery of your remote control for 30 seconds. Remove it and leave it for 30 seconds. Put it back and try. If it doesn't work, remove the plug of your TV and wait the LED indications came out. And leave it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, plug it again. And check again. If it doesn't work, the previous things you do, the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to factory settings. Go to factory reset. This is when you first bought your TV. Next, press the home button. Number 2, go to settings. Number 3, go to support. Go to self-diagnostic and then press reset.